All right. Welcome to the CS50's Introduction to Game Development assignment number 0. In this assignment, we are asked to implement an AI-controlled pedal, and it could be either the left or the right. In my case, I decided to implement the right paddle. So the right paddle is AI-driven, AI-controlled, in such that it will try to deflect the ball at all times. Since the paddle can move on only one axis, the y-axis in this case, we'll need to determine how to keep the paddle moving in relation to the ball. So if we go to the main.lua file and we go to the chunk of code where we detect input for the keyboard, so this piece, we can see that I commented out the part that is responsible to control the player 2, so the right paddle, and I made some changes. So in this case, here, we need to be sure that we are not either in the start state or in the serve state. So we are actually playing the game. We are in the play state. And I call a function that is called refresh, and it's where we implemented all the logic for the AI-controlled right paddle. So if we go to the paddle.lua file, and we have a look at the refresh function, here we have all the logic to implement the AI-driven logic. So if the ball is above or below the paddle, we move the right paddle accordingly, each frame. So at each frame, for each frame update, we move the paddle, the right paddle, up or down accordingly. So depending on how the ball is moving. Its velocity could be not greater than a specific max speed. So eventually, if the ball moves with a velocity that is greater with respect to the paddle's velocity, we are able to win. So if we go to the assignment 0 and we launch the game, welcome to Pong, we press enter, and the game starts. So actually, currently we are controlling the left paddle with the keyboards, but the right paddle is AI driven actually. So that's all. Thank you.